Let's talk about the massive shift that just happened in the world of streaming ads. Because Amazon? It's quietly become the Google of streaming advertising. Remember when you had to juggle a bunch of platforms to run ads on your favorite streaming services? Maybe you'd chase Netflix through one partner, Spotify through another, and someone else for Roku. It was messy and honestly, kind of a headache. But in the last year, everything changed. Here's what went down. In October 2025, Spotify opened up its ad inventory to Amazon. Roku followed in June 2026. Then, by the end of the year, even Netflix joined the party. Now, through Amazon's demand-side platform, or DSP for short, I can reach 80% of streaming households in one go. Netflix, Spotify, Roku, Disney+, live sports, you name it. One dashboard, one buy, everywhere. But here's the real power move. Amazon brings a whole new kind of data to the table. Google knows what people search. Facebook knows what people like. But Amazon? Amazon knows what people buy. With over 300 million shoppers, Amazon knows who bought what, when, and even how often they'll buy it again. And because this is all first-party data, no cookies, it's way more durable for targeting, especially as cookies disappear from the web. Now let's talk about how it actually works. Amazon's DSP is all about programmatic advertising. I set my budget, pick my audience, upload my creative, and the software automatically buys ad slots in real time. Here's the kicker, for e-commerce, Amazon can show me exactly when an ad someone saw on Netflix led to a purchase on Amazon. That's real ROI, proven in black and white. For brands selling something less tangible, think software or services, Amazon uses shopping behavior as a clue. If someone buys a bunch of electrician's tools, maybe they'd be interested in an electrician training course. They use household identity to track devices on the same Wi-Fi. So if you see an ad on your smart TV but convert on your phone, Amazon can connect the dots. And get this, Amazon is making streaming ads shoppable. Imagine you're watching TV and see an ad for sneakers. You can click Buy Now with your remote, and those kicks are instantly in your Amazon cart. Or you get a text with more info. That's next level. Now, direct access to Amazon's DSP isn't for everyone. It's mostly for brands with proven product market fit and serious ad budgets. But if you work with an agency, it's much easier to test the waters, even if you're not a giant. Bottom line, we're in a window that's a lot like the golden age of early Google ads. Low competition, underpriced inventory, and a huge opportunity for brands who move fast. If you're a marketer, this is your shot to get ahead before everyone else catches up. So, what are you waiting for? Amazon just became the king of streaming ads. Don't let this moment pass you by.